Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter sign-up pop-up on Shopify. This is useful if you want visitors to join your email list while they are browsing your store. You can use it to share discounts, updates, new products, or special offers. The good thing is you do not need to do anything hard. You just need to use the tools inside Shopify and set it up step by step. Step 1. Go to your Shopify admin. First, open your Shopify account and go to your Shopify admin page. This is where you manage your store, products, orders, and settings. Once you are inside, look at the menu on the left side. You want to find the area where you can add or manage apps. This is where Shopify lets you add extra features to your store. Step 2. Add a Signup Popup app. Now go to the Shopify App Store and search for a newsletter pop-up app. You can search for words like newsletter pop-up or email pop-up. Pick one that looks simple and has good reviews. After that, click Install and follow the steps on the screen. Shopify will ask you to approve the app, so just continue until it is added to your store. Step 3. Create your message pop-up. Next, open the app and start creating your pop-up. Add a short message like "Join our newsletter" or "Get 10% off your first order." Keep the words simple. Tell visitors what they will get if they sign up. You can also add a box where they can type their email address and a button that says something like "Sign up" or "Get my discount." Step 4. Choose when the pop-up shows. After that, choose when you want the pop-up to appear. You can make it show after a few seconds, when someone visits the store, or when someone is about to leave. For beginners, showing it after a few seconds is a good option. This gives visitors time to see your store before the pop-up appears. After that, you can save and test it. Now, save your pop-up and open your store like a normal visitor. Check if the pop-up appears the way you want. If the text is too long, make it shorter. If the colors do not look right, change them. Once everything looks good, your newsletter sign-up pop-up is ready. That's how you create a newsletter sign-up pop-up on Shopify. It's a simple way to collect emails from people who visit your store so you can keep in touch with them later. You can use your newsletter to send discounts, product updates, new arrivals, sales, or any important news about your store. Just make sure your pop-up is easy to read, simple to close, and gives people a clear reason to sign up. Also, after you set it up, take a moment to test it on your store. Check how it looks on a phone and on a computer, because many customers may visit your store from different devices. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.